Emily and Zoe. What the purple one again? And it's a
What type of flowers are those?
purple.
Tulips?
Hey everybody.
Welcome to the Ladybug Girls Show. What are we doing today?
We're at the tulips to go look at them.
We're at the tulip fields? At the tulip festival?
Yeah.
It's gorgeous, huh? Don't pick them.
I smell one and they smell beautiful.
What color you got? You should get purple.
Look at all those.
Look at the red rose over there. They've got pink in distance.
And pink.
They're
They've
gorgeous.
got one row of pink here. Along with
Yeah.
where you walk back
Let's
in.
go look at the tulips.
Okay, let's go look. Here's more flowers.
Red ones.
Yeah, we got the red ones and the purple ones. So pretty.
And then they have pink ones.
Yeah,
And
pink
then
ones are coming out. What colors do you like the most?
I love the one purple and pink.
Yeah,
Purple and pink is my favorite.
That's-
Anyway,
those are the best ones.
yes, they are. Best.
Okay, now we're running down the center of the tulip fields.
Hey guys.
So gorgeous. So gorgeous. The girls are having a blast. Gorgeous, gorgeous day. Here's some red tulips. And some red and white ones.